Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in today's free training video, I want to reveal a free site that you'll be able to use to make $10 an hour. You know, you're not gonna become a millionaire with this, you're not gonna become rich, but $10 an hour is just a nice little side income, and all you have to do is just click on images. I'm going to show you the site in a second, but first of all, please check out the links in the description of this video. The first link will take you to a system that makes me between $10 and $200 a pop, and it's on complete autopilot, and it's free to join, so go ahead and check it out. Below that I have another system that I'm also using, which pays up to $2,000 a pop. So both of these are free to join. Please go ahead and check these out. Also, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more of these free training videos. It really helps me out. And if you are already subscribed, please click on the bell notification button to get notifications each time I'm doing one of these free training videos, okay? It really helps me out. So guys, without further ado, let me just show you the site. This site is called usabilityhub.com. So as you can see, this is a site for testers. So essentially you'll be able to test different designs, different sites. I'm going to show you exactly how one of these tests looks like, but you know, this site works with Amazon, Google, Airtable, Box, GoDaddy, you know, big companies, and essentially these companies are looking for testers when they are coming up with new projects. So these companies are doing first click tests, design servers, preference tests, 5-second tests. It's very easy when you are actually a tester. So you know, they get all of these different options for companies, and if you're gonna click here on become a tester, it will take you to this site. Essentially you are earning money by giving designers feedback. As you can see, it's quick and easy to do, and you can earn credits with every response, and you are being paid by PayPal. So you're gonna get 10 cents per credit. Once you're gonna reach $10, you can do a PayPal payout, and that's exactly how much you're gonna earn per hour, more or less, because you know, these 10 cents credits, you can literally get these in seconds. You know, one click is one credit, so you know, how many clicks can you do in an hour? You can easily make $10 an hour with this. So with that being said, let me just show you some example tests. So as you can see, they have a lot of different tests. You know, obviously different tests will be available to you depending on your location, gender, etc. But with that being said, let me just show you one of these tests. Let's say, which t-shirt design will my user most appreciate? So this is one of example. Let's take the test. Let's click on start and then click to view images. Essentially we are getting two different images, and the one that you like more, you'll just click on it, and this is the feedback that the designer will get. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Why did you pick this option? I like the color more. Continue. Thank you, we appreciate your feedback, and that's essentially it. You know, it's super easy. You can make as many as these tests per hour or per day as you want. As you can see, the whole thing took me less than 30 seconds, and you can again do more and more of these, each depending on how many tests are actually available to you. So a ton of different tests. Again, you won't be becoming a millionaire, or you know, you won't be making thousands of dollars with this, but if you have, you know, a little bit of free time and you want to make some extra money just on the side doing something fun, then by all means you can check this site out. So again, it's usabilityhub.com. This is the free site, and again, I really hope you guys really like these free training videos. I'm trying to do as many as I can for you. If you appreciate these videos, please like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel of mine and click on the bell notifications button, because this really helps me out. And the more subscribers I have, the more videos I will be able to do for you. Okay, so again, check out the links in the description. Check out the 2 systems that I use to bank me hundreds of dollars each and every single day. These are very cool as well, and they are free to join. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, ciao, see ya.